सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी,
honorable members, we are taking up the bill, the carriage of goods by sea, Bill 2025. Yesterday, the minister has given his speech, and speech of Mr. Dr. Thambudurai was unfinished. You can begin, Mr. Thambudurai.
Sir, yesterday you were given a chance to speak about the carriage of goods by the sea bill. The bill establishes the responsibility, liabilities, rights and immunities in case of goods carried from any port in India to any other port of the world. Having said this, I would like to point out some issues concerning a marine and flood security. India has a huge coastline of approximately 9,000 kilometers. Sir, because I want to make an important point. Since 1993, Mumbai blast a huge party of arms and ammunition, including Iskander. Sir, we have also witnessed that drugs are being smuggled in several states of India, including Tamil Nadu. Huge cash of drugs was confiscated from Tamil Nadu. The present DMK government in Tamil Nadu unable to stop smuggling the drugs into the state. It also unable to stop abuse of drugs. Drug is frequently available in Tamil Nadu near schools and colleges. The students who are being in India are being brought under the drug control. The DMK government Tamil Nadu incapable of running the state. Due to the failure of the present government Tamil Nadu, people are going to throw the DMK out of the next assembly election. And the ADMK under the leadership of Edappadi Palaniswamy is going to win the thumping majority in the government. And also, sir, I want to add, having India has a huge coastline of approximately 9,500 kilometers, securing the entire coastline of India. Maritime security has a huge threat and challenges right from the immemorial. The challenges the coastal security are very complex. The porous nature of the coastal areas susceptible to illegal smuggling of the goods.
Abdullah, go one step further.
Arms and explosives, especially by the terror groups and drug syndicates.
Go one step up.
Since all the states manage their borders very well, there is an increased infiltration and smuggling of arms and ammunition, also drugs, through the sea route. Special mention should be made about the smuggling of drugs and contraband through the sea route. This has its adverse impact on our economy and social fabric. More than this, there is a nexus between organized smuggling gangs and terror outfits. This poses a serious challenge for internal security. Many terror outfits use such channels to raise funds, which is further used in the terror activities. Sir, you know very well, in Mumbai what happened? These explosives are exported and came. That's why I am requesting our Honorable Minister to look in this matter. What is happening, how the goods are transacted throughout the country, especially the sea route. Sea routes is a high time. Central government must come forward to take necessary action. Especially in Tamil Nadu we are facing a lot of problems. Already I mentioned what is happening, especially drugs. Therefore, I request the central government to interfere. I already mentioned. I also served as minister, sitting minister, the minister. I know that I am appreciating the Modi government. Modi's government has taken love of the further to see that new rules are they bringing, how the trades are taking place. Because of the trade, India is going to be the economy. In the due course of time, as Narendra Modi said, India is going to be the thirdest largest of the economy in the world. Means that trade is very important. For trade, honorable ministers brought some kind of rules and regulations to change everything. I think this is a great effect going to history. Sir, especially sea routes are dangerous things. Many times our ships, Indian ships, are catch hold of the pirates many places. At that time, the government has to, central government has taken effort to help to get the ship released. That's why the goods carriages of sea is very, very important. Now, as I said, the smugglers are using, and in the name of some other good, they are bringing the narcotics, and this is a dangerous thing. I request the Honorable Minister to see that possible and take necessary action. And I, on behalf of ADMK party and my leader, Edapadi Palaniswamy, I support this bill, and this will be give some kind of relief for our Tamil Nadu people also, because stringent action has to be taken. Smuggling of the drugs in Tamil Nadu is more going on. Therefore, it's high time for necessary action. That is all I request. Thank you very much.
The next speaker is Muhammad